Hey, this is day 13. Today I skipped my workout and Lou to clean my house instead. So I vacuumed, I mopped, I swept, I dusted, I did dishes. Now keep in mind, I'm also doing laundry, and my room is upstairs. And we have a tri-level house, so I have to go down the first set of stairs to get to the middle level, and then a half set of stairs to get to the third level, which leads to the garage. So yeah, I've been up and down the stairs a lot. I vacuumed the stairs. My house is 2,500 square feet. So I also cleaned the bathroom and the tub and the hall and the walls in the tub. Tired? Just a bit. Calories? A lot. I'm really hungry right now because I'm done for the day, but wow, did I do a lot, and I think I burned more calories than the workout. So yeah. And one of my roommates said that she can tell I'm losing weight. I'm losing inches, so woohoo! Anyway, I'm just me.